level output areas follows.
Yes. So prepare dead rent account, royalty account, short workings account, landlord account in the books of Ganesh Mining Company. So that was a case, that was a question that we have did, and we have also prepared this analytical table. Along with the analytical table, we have also completed the journal entry. That is only 3 journal entries we have completed. So the next we're going to move on. Okay. So here in this journal entry, they have given 5 years of in this question, they have given 5 years of output and dead rent of rupees 20,000. Dead rent and the minimum rent is 20, is the same, and they have given us 20,000. And here 4 years of first 4 years they have given that information, which means what? Which means it's a first 4 years is nothing but what? It's nothing but the fixed recoupment, right? So first 4 years is nothing but the fixed recoupment, and 5 rupees per ton. This is what is a royalty. So based on this, again, we have, that's what we have prepared a royalty, and then we'll move on. See, for minimum rent payable, 1 journal entry, and for splitting the minimum rent to royalty and short workings, again, 1 more journal entry. Then being minimum rent paid, whatever it is payable, whatever it's outstanding, so that outstanding amount has paid now, right? So after the payment, what is the next thing that we have to do? So just look into the once again, yes, just look into the the format when actual royalty is less than the minimum rent. That's what, right? So in 2000, okay, in 2000, the actual royalty is less than the minimum rent, right? So as it is less than the minimum rent, condition 1 applies, and we have made 1, 2, 3 journal entries, and then we'll move on to the fourth entry, that is for transfer of what? For transfer of royalties to P&L account and production account. So what is the thing that we have to write? How? Hitesh Rathod? Hitesh. Afnan? Abhigna? Ananya? Nobody? For these people, I'll not give attendance. Okay, Manav? Abhishek, what are you doing? Abhishek Joshi?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes, okay. Joshi, yeah, next journal entry. What is the next journal entry that we have to take? What is the next journal entry? See, for transfer of royalties to production account, what is the journal entry that we have to take?
Wait, ma'am.
It's there in the screen. You just tell me.
Production account.
Yeah, production account.
Royalty account.
Yes. Be there with me. Production account data to production account data to which account?
Royalty account.
Yes, to royalty account. Good. How much I have to transfer to production account? How much I have to transfer? Just look into it. How much I have to transfer?
10,000.
10,000? Yes, I have to transfer 10,000 to production account. Then, so what is the ledger? What is the narration that I have to write? Narration.
Being.
What, Abhishek?
Right, ma'am.
Being royalty.
Royalty account.
Royalty transfer to royalty account transfer to which account? to production account, right? That you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Hope you people are able to understand the sums, because yeah, okay. Then afterwards, is there any irrecover entries in the first year? Is there any irrecover entries in the first year in 2000? Do you have? Yes.
No, ma'am.
No. Then
No, ma'am.
yes. Should we have to take this entry then? Not required, right?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
not required. Yes, good. Then we'll move on to the next, this one next year, that is in 2001. That is production or output 3000. So 3000 of output they have given, and the royalty amount is 5. Royalty on production is 15,000, and the minimum rent is 20,000. Can you tell me, is minimum rent is less than the royalty of production or what? Or more? Is
Minimum rent
Less,
is
ma'am.
royalty is less
Less.
than the minimum rent, or
Royalty is less, ma'am.
yes, then yes, good. If it is royalty is less, what is it condition 1 applies or condition 2 applies?
Condition 1, 2.
Condition 2 or condition 1? Condition 2 applies. I guess we know that it's a without, this is with minimum rent. But in that we have element 1 and element 2. Okay, tell me, element 1 applies or element 2 applies?
Element 1.
Element 1. Yes, Nandini. Okay. So, Nandini, what is the first transaction that I have to take place?
Minimum rent payable.
Minimum rent payable. Very good. Minimum rent payable. That's an outstanding entry, right? It's a outstanding entry that I have to take. That is same 2001. For 2001, you have to write it. And how much is the minimum rent amount?
20,000.
20,000. Same amount has to be debited and credited in each of the column. Yes. Then next afterwards, Soumya. Soumya, what is the
Yes,
next thing?
ma'am.
Yes. What is the next journal entry that I have to take?
Ma'am, royalty account data to short working account data to minimum rent.
Yes. Royalty account data, short workings account to minimum rent. Why it is so? Because we are splitting what? We are splitting the minimum rent, right? We are splitting what? We are splitting the minimum rent to what? To the short workings and royalty. Yeah. How much is a royalty, Soumya?
15,000. 15,000.
15,000. Yes. 15,000 is a royalty, and short working is how much?
5,000.
5,000. Okay. Then what is the minimum rent?
20,000.
20,000. Good. So the narration would be being splitting the minimum rent to to what? To royalty and short workings. Yes, Mohammed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Mohammed, not Mohan. Mohammed. Oh, Noor Mohammed. Maybe it's a new one. New candidate. Yes, Kiran. Kiran.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kiran. So what is the next entry that I have to take, Kiran? Okay, just look into the journal entries. So after this, after minimum rent payable and after splitting the minimum rent to this short workings, what is the next item that we have to take?
Ma'am, landlord account,
Landlord account data to
bank account.
why it is so? Why we have to take this?
Because
Why we have to take? Because we are paying a minimum rent, right, Kiran?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, in 2001, first entry is payable. That is outstanding entry. Understood? So after outstanding, we have to pay. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much we are paying to landlord as a minimum rent? By looking into it, How much is the minimum rent in 2001?
20,000.
20,000, yes. So 20,000 is what is minimum rent.
Landlord.
Yes. So landlord account 20,000, and in the credit side again you have to write what? You have to write 20,000 to bank account. So you are paying minimum rent to your landlord. Good, good, Kiran. Thank you.
Okay.
Then yes, Sumuk.
Yes,
Sumuk?
ma'am.
Yes, Sumuk. So Sumuk, after the payment, what is the next thing that I have to record?
Ma'am, production
payment.
account debit. Production account debit to royalty account.
Why it is so? Why I'm transferring? What I'm transferring?
Royalty.
Royalty you are transferring. Why it is production account, not P&L account?
Ma'am, because it is production unit, ma'am.
Yes. So the question belongs to what? Production unit. So I'm just transferring my royalty to production account. That is factory, indirect expenses. Sorry, direct expenses. To the direct expenses I'm transferring. Okay. So here, yes, Sumuk, here how much I have to transfer?
15,000.
15,000. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So 15,000 I have to transfer to which account? To P&L account, because see here. So again, royalty account debited to how much of rupees? 15,000. The same thing has to be credited to royalty as what? As 15,000, and you have to write it as being royalty transfer to production account. Good. Then next. So next is Ayan Pasha and Jitendra Patil. Patil? Jitendra Patil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jitendra. Is it your first class, Jitendra?
Ma'am?
Is it your first class?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, like what happened? Why you have not attended these many classes? Why you have missed?
Ma'am, I had informed the class teacher, ma'am, regarding this.
What happened?
Ma'am,
Okay,
actually,
so
I'm
that's
going for
okay.
a
If
job,
it is a
ma'am.
personal issue, then that's okay. And please, I have completed 4 to 5 problems, and you just just go through with your friends and take out the notes. And if it is any problems you occur, you just contact me. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Jitendra, just attend the classes, and if you understand, it's good. If it is not, that is also good. Okay, so you just attend the regular classes. Now onwards, you be regular. Got it? Okay, then Ayan Pasha. Ayan Pasha. Ayan will not get attendance. Okay, Gopal Sharma. Gopal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Gopal. Gopal, next entries, should we have to record this? Should we have to record this irrecover entries?
Okay, already.
Look at this. Look at this. I'll show you the analytical table. In 2001, do you have any irrecover entries?
No, ma'am.
Then should we have to record?
No, ma'am.
Then what we have to do?
Okay.
What we have to do? We have to go to 2002 entries, right? We have to start writing the 2002 entries. Okay. So in 2001, how many entries? 4 entries. Okay. Yeah. Gopal, what is the next journal entry that I have to take? Is it less than or more than? Gopal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, is it less than or more than or equal? What it is?
Less than, ma'am. Less than.
In third year, that is in 2002.
Sorry.
Tell me, is it
Equal.
less
It's
than
less-
or more than or equal?
Equal.
Equal. Then how to take an entry?
Yes, ma'am.
Then how to take an entry? See, it's a less than or more than. So like you told, yeah, it is actually,
Equal.
yeah, it's a equal. So now what entry that I have to take? anyhow, okay, so please understand, anyhow it is a less than or more than, we have to do what? We have to transfer the minimum rent, right? We have to transfer the minimum rent. You just write it as minimum rent account data to landlord account. And when you are splitting the minimum rent to royalty, do not consider short working. You just directly take royalty account data to minimum rent. So in that way you can just take it. Okay, so this is how you have to write. If it is recovered, you have to take it as credit. But as it is not, as it is not recovered, the short workings, as we have not recovered any short workings in the third year, so we have to write it as what? Minimum rent account data to landlord account. Same thing, you just write it. Same thing. Okay. Once again. Okay. So same thing, you just record it. That is minimum rent account data to landlord account. Okay. Minimum rent account data to landlord account. Yes. Gopal,
Yes,
how much is
ma'am.
the minimum rent?
20,000, ma'am.
20,000. Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
just record it as 20,000 and 20,000. Hope you people are understanding this one, this entry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Okay, 20,000 we have recorded. That is minimum rent over. After this minimum rent, what is the next thing that we have to take? So the next thing is we have to split the minimum rent to short workings and royalty. As we don't have a short working, you just write it as, so splitting this minimum rent to royalty. So you're just splitting as what? You just split, you're not splitting, you're just trying, so you're just showing as what? You're just showing as this one, that is royalty account data, minimum rent account, royalty account data to minimum rent account. So you're not writing what? You're not writing the short workings here. Okay. So, and you just write it as being splitting the minimum rent to royalty. That's it. Being okay. How much you are, giving to this royalty? Again, it is 20,000, right? So 20,000 you are writing. After this, okay. After this, what is the next entry that we have to take care? What is the next thing? We have to pay that, right? We have to pay that minimum rent. So while we are paying, what we have to write? Landlord account data to bank account. So when we are paying the amount, we just have to write it as what? Landlord account data to bank account. That is 2002. Landlord account data to bank account. We are transferring a minimum rent of 20,000 to this landlord account from our bank, right? Then after this, so after this landlord account, what is a thing that we have to write? We have to transfer the royalties, right? To which account? To which account we are transferring?
Production account.
Production account, yes. So we are transferring the land, we are transferring a royalty to production account as what? As production account data to royalty account, that is 2003. In 2003 that we are doing, right? 2002 only, yeah. In 2002, we are transferring the royalty into production account. How much we are transferring? The same amount, that is 20,000 only, because there is no short workings, right? The same thing. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. That is in 2003. As we don't have what? As we don't have recovered entries, we are not recording it, right? So next. So in this, tell me in 2003, okay? In 2003, tell me guys. So is royalty is less than the minimum rent or more than the minimum rent? Is it
More
less?
than the minimum.
Yes.
More than the minimum
Very
rent.
good, very good. It is more than the minimum rent. So like as it is more than the minimum rent, which element is applicable? Is it first element or second element?
Second element.
Okay, Uwais Pasha, is it your, mine is, okay, Uwais, that's okay. You just attend the classes. So like if you are able to understand, that's great. If you are not, that is also great. Okay, don't worry. And take your notes from your, friends. Okay, so here, and for the first, I want to tell you guys, I'm Sushmita and I'm taking a AFA subject, and which topic I'm doing is royalty. Okay, fourth chapter I'm doing royalty. Okay, I'm just taking a high jump, that's it. Okay, from royalty I'm starting. And for the latecomers that I'm talking about. Okay, so condition 1 applies or condition 2 applies? Sorry, element 1 or element 2? Is it less than the minimum rent or more than the minimum rent?
Element 2.
Element 2. ma'am.
Element 2,
Element
that
two.
is more than the minimum rent. So then what is the first entry that we have to record?
Royalty account debtor to
Royalty.
short working account to landlord account.
Yes, good. Royalty account data, 2 short workings account and 2 landlord account. That we have to write it. Totally again. 45 million. Then I really ಹಂಗಾರೆ ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡು ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ 2 seconds. Okay, bidi ಆಯ್ತು. Then what is the thing that we have to take? So here, sorry for disturbance, royalty account data, short workings account data to minimum account. So sorry, here it's different, right? That is
Landlord account.
yes. Two. Oh. 1 second. What is the general entry? Royalty account data, 2 short workings and 2 landlord, right? Okay, we'll go into do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Royalty account data, 2 short workings. Please, as in now, when we complete, please write down the journal entries. Two short workings. Account. Okay, then I'll just write it as 2 landlord account. 2 landlord account. Okay. So how much we have to write as royalty? How much is the royalty in this in 2003? How much is the royalty?
22,500.
Yes. 22,500 is our royalty. And how much we recovered our loss? How much we have recovered?
2,500.
Yes, we have recovered 2,500. We have recovered 2,500. And how much we have paid to landlord?
20,000.
Yes, good. So in 2003, we have paid how much? 20,000. So we have paid how much? 20,000. We have made a payment. That is actually, it's a payable. Okay, not paid. It's a payable. So the entry becomes like this. To the narration becomes like this. Being royalty payable and short workings recouped. Short workings recouped. Oh. Already time got over. Okay, so being royalty payable and short workings recouped. So that is what the entry is. Understood, guys?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
yes, then next we will move on to the 2003 entries. So in 2003, after, once again. Oh, I have closed that. One second. Yes, after this, that is where's that entry? Okay, so as it is time up, so we'll just